Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video we're showing you guys how to create this echo clone effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm gonna go here, go to new, and then create our first adjustment layer. I'm gonna go ahead and add CC light rays onto our adjustment layer right here. And we're gonna crank our radius all the way up to around 7,000. It's a lot, just go and drag it out until you get this kind of effect. Keep on dragging out until you see this duplication of our video right here. Once you have something like this, drag up our warp softness all the way up to around right here to around 76. Then I'm going to go ahead and keyframe our opacity, put it at 0 right here, create our first keyframe, head to about right here, and then I'm going to put our opacity all the way up to 100. Highlight both our keyframes, ease it. Once after that, I'm going to go ahead and make another adjustment layer. Put it above the one that we made earlier. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add noise. Drag your noise, turn off use color noise. Put our amount to 25. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add CC threshold. Drag in CC threshold. Go to our CC threshold right here. And bring down our threshold a bit. Just depends on how light or dark your clip is. So around right here to around 43. Maybe drag it down a bit. Right there. Looks really nice. So once after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add a glow effect. Drag in our glow effect. Then we're gonna increase our radius a good amount to around right here. Close this out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a tritone effect. And go ahead and switch to any color you want. So I might switch it to maybe purple. Go around right here. Or red. I think purple right there looks really nice. Close this out. Save our project. And yeah, that is how you create this grunge echo clone effect for your next edit or music video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe, or leave a comment or to share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep on staying creative and keep working hard. Peace out.